are doing a boat day, but first we're gonna get coffee and breakfast sandwiches. So we're having a boat day. This is my kind of hat, yo. Toasted marshmallow. Kind of tastes like something else. Try it, babe. It's kind of like, maybe it's like a little bit of the marshmallow fluff, but it's a little artificial.
That tastes like marshmallow to me.
Maybe it's like s'mores. It is toasted marshmallow.
It has an aftertaste.
Smoky.
It has an aftertaste of marshmallow. Like the first taste you get is not marshmallow.
Right.
It tastes like
It's toasted.
As it sits in your mouth, it becomes marshmallow.
That's what it is.
Are we stopping by the city?
Set, go.
Turn around.
Yeah. Ready? Ready, sit, go.
This time we'll do it.
Ready, set, go. Wow! Wow, the boat lifted.
Well, of course, we were both on the end of it.
Feel good?
Not that detailed.
Really?
You can
Somebody
touch?
dive. That's scary. Somebody would last time. Jake in the building.
Water feels good, though.
It does feel really good.
I'm gonna get it. Look it up.
Yeah, that feels good.
You gotta take you have a big old black shirt on, of course you're overeating.
Beach.
That's great.
Son of a beach.
Here we go. Watch it. Here it goes. I'm gonna do it. I'll do your turn after this one. Here you go.
Landscape mode. Just in case you didn't catch all the angles. There's some ducks.
It started raining. Goodness. We got rained out. It thundered and lightning so loud. It was crazy. But we enjoyed the day. It is like 4. We spent the whole day, so it was a good day.